Everything all right, Nigel?
Well, I took some up and put it down, but I can't keep the other up much longer.
It's nice as if those mates have a life of their own.
You could say that. I think what Abel meant was he was trying to find enough space for the luggage upstairs, weren't you, Abel?
Yes, that's right, sir. I mean, you wouldn't want to find the baggage all over the place now, would you?
Has it dried up yet?
Not quite, sir.
One of the suitcases got very wet in the rain.
Why didn't you dry it with a towel?
You'd think of that. Well, how much longer do you think, Abel?
I reckon any minute now, sir.
Lord.
Mr. Bounty, would you go and see if you could put the kettle on, please? I'd like some tea.
Right you are, Mum. Any minute now, there's going to be 5 down here and none up there.
Right. I'll be taking these out again then.
But you only just brought them in.
Yes, but you see, they don't like it here and they want to go.
What are you talking about?
Well, you and yours, your mother's suitcases, out back into the car.
Why?
Well, because I can't have you sleeping here with the sound of a gunfire.
She can wear earplugs.
What?
Yes, that can make it better. After a couple of weeks, we won't notice a thing.
Not so sure.
2 weeks, we won't notice anything.
I wish I could be so certain. Look, you could go down to the village and wait there.
The village. I can stay at the Horse and Groom.
What do you know about the horse and groom?
We called in, didn't we? On the way here.
What?
Yes. Yes, he said he had a few things to see to. Said he'd come along later.
You mean to say your father's here as well?
Of course, darling.
Oh, well, if that's the case, you can go into the village and wait then.
We're not going anywhere, Chester. That's it. We're staying here. There's plenty to do here. Darling, this is my new room.
Yes, I know it.
Mr. Bounty, is the tea ready? I'm sorry, darling. I'm really Mummy and Daddy involved.
I know, but there's one thing, but your father's quite another. I mean,
For the kind spirits.
well, yes, I mean, at home they've got used to it by now, but here, well, nobody knows us. Well, it might be a bit strange when you go starting shots at the postman.
Well, we'll just have to warn you then, won't we?
Who? The postman?
No, Sydney. I don't suppose you thought to order any gas, did you?
Yes.
Yes, it comes out of a pipe.
Well, it was here yesterday, it can't have got very far.
Well, Mr. Bounty is struggling to find.
For goodness sake, I'll see to it.
Can I come down now? Yes. How do you do? How do you do? So you got here all right then?
Yes, thank you.
You're lucky. You look quite dry. You must have missed the rain.
Yes, it had just stopped as I got out of the car.
Well, I got soaked.
Really?
That's one dress like this.
I did wonder.
I got changed upstairs in the bedroom.
Right.
It's a super bedroom.
Is it really? Perhaps I should see it one day.
Oh, anytime you like.
Thank you very much.
These aren't my clothes, of course.
I didn't think they were somehow.
My clothes fit much better than this.
I bet they do.
They're his clothes.
Sorry?
His clothes. I found them upstairs.
I thought they looked familiar.
I've been unhappy for him, you see.
Really? How very kind of you.
Look, I think you don't mind me saying this.
Please feel free.
Well, you're much younger than I expected.
Am I really?
I suppose you looked after yourself.
Well, what they say here, a hormone there. Tell me, what did you think that I'd be much older?
Because that's what he told me.
Chester?
Yes, well, he didn't exactly tell me. I just presumed from what he said about you.
I see.
Oh dear, you're getting angry now, aren't you?
No, I'm not angry, not yet.
I couldn't bear it if you started shouting.
Then I'll have to control myself one time.
I can't turn that bloody gas on. I just,
Chester! Do you come and join us? We're having a very interesting conversation.
So I thought you might be. Maybe you introduce yourself then.
Not exactly.
So you were able to come back then after all, were you, Mrs. Bounty?
What? What's he talking about?
We didn't think you'd be able to come back again this afternoon, Mrs. Bounty.
Didn't we?
No, of course we didn't.
But I'm not.
Not tired? You must be. after all that was going on upstairs this morning. That's why we're so grateful you came back this afternoon, aren't we, dear? Yes, we are. Would you like to finish up now? Mrs. Bounty?
She's only just come down.
Oh, have you? Oh, I see.
She's even a patch for you. Wasn't that sweet of her?
Oh, I thought I recognised those shirts and trousers. Hey, you better not look. Oh, no, you'll catch you like that. You might get the wrong idea, eh?
I think I'd like to see the bedrooms now.
What a good idea, my dear.
Mrs. Bounty can carry on down here.
Yes, I'll show you the way.
No, thank you. I know what stairs look like. My eyesight's still quite good, you know, considering my age.
I thought I told you to stay upstairs.
I couldn't stay there forever now, could I?
And what are you doing wearing my clothes?